How to fix your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled due to repeated failed attempts. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. If you're getting this error while logging in and your account has been temporarily disabled, then there might be a couple of reasons why this is happening. The first one might be you have entered a wrong password. If that's the case, you want to check your password, and if you have forgotten your password, simply reset it and then log into Snapchat. If wrong password is not the reason and you're still facing this issue, then you want to open up your Play Store or App Store and here search for Snapchat. Then make sure that Snapchat is fully updated. So if there is an update button, tap on it and update Snapchat to the latest version. This is going to fix any bugs that you have in the app. If even after updating your app you're still facing this issue, then the next thing would be to open up your web browser and go to accounts.snapchat.com. Then try to log into your account from there and then tap on Unlock My Account option. Once you have tapped on this option here, then simply tap on Unlock to unlock your account. If that doesn't work, you want to head over to a website called Is It Down Right Now? Tap on here, and if you find that Snapchat is down here, then you might want to wait for a couple of time until Snapchat is up again. So if Snapchat is down, that might also be a reason why you're facing this error. If Snapchat is fine and you're still facing this error, then the last thing would be to wait for a couple of hours, maybe even 24 hours, and your account should be unblocked. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.